Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to delete and remove a user account from your Google Suite admin console. Now as always you've got to log into your admin console and you'll see your overview screen of the system. Now I'm super admin in my own domain, but if you're an admin of Gsuite, of your business domain, company domain, you may not be a super admin, but you would have the access to deactivate an account. Maybe not delete it, but we're just going to show you how to delete and do a complete removal of an account. So you've got to go into the user section. You can, if you see this here, you can go into the user section here, or you can go into directory and go to users, and then you will see the list of users. Now the account that we're going to get rid of first is this one, and then what we do there is more options, and then we say delete selected users. Okay, click that. Actually, before we do that, we're going to show you again, you've got more options here. You can remove licenses. So for example, if this person's been deactivated, but if you're working for a big corporate organization, you can remove the license. You can deactivate the account this way so they can't access it, but if you ever needed to go back and check the account, you still have it and all the data's there. But in this case, the account has no real data, has not been used since it was created, so we're gonna remove it. So we're gonna hit delete selected users, and then it'll give you this screen, and it will tell you that it's going to do a few things. Now it looks like there's some data, so what we'll do is we'll transfer that to me. Okay, so you can see that that's all selected to be transferred, and then we'll hit delete user. Then it just tells me that that user has been deleted, so we can click done. Now if I go out, go back in, okay, so that person is gone, so you can see it's giving me a 404, so I will go back. Now the next person that I want to remove is the top one here, and this person just recently was created, but it's not going to use the account at all, and there will be no data at all. So we're going to hit delete again, same kind of thing, and then just going to add me to it. Okay, and then we're going to hit delete user. So once it's going to do the data transfer and everything, so once that's been transferred, it'll be removed from the list. You can see that's gone. You can see that previous email has been gone as well. But yeah, so that's how we delete a G Suite email address. Guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy video tutorials like this, and we'll see you on the next one.